The concept of uncountable nouns, the nouns that cannot be measured or counted in numbers, are uncountable nouns. Quantity expressions are used for uncountable nouns. For example, a bowl of soup, a slice of bread, a bar of chocolate, a glass of milk, a game of football. Let's do an exercise. Use quantity expressions for uncountable nouns. The uncountable nouns are cake, fruit, advice, luggage, technology, and the quantity expression is used is a piece of cake, a piece of fruit, a piece of advice, a piece of luggage, a piece of technology, a game of football, a game of tennis, a game of chess, a game of badminton, an hour of exercise, an hour of sleep, a slice of bread, a slice of cheese, a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a cup of milk.